This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately. Unplug the IFB and shut off the water so there's no power or pressure. Remove the top or control console screws using a #2 screwdriver and 7mm nut driver. Once loose, lift the panel enough to see the door lock module. You're doing this so you can access the lock without stressing cables. Make sure to take a quick photo of the wiring layout before touching connectors. That photo saves time when you reassemble. Once the harness photo is taken, gently depress the connector tab and unplug the door lock wiring. You want to avoid damaged clips. Use a multimeter in continuity mode to test the lock contacts. This confirms whether the solenoid or switch is faulty and why the door won't latch. If the meter shows open circuit where you expect continuity, remove the retaining screws or plastic clips securing the lock to the front panel. Work deliberately to avoid cracking plastic tabs when prying the module free. You now fit the replacement or cleaned lock, aligning mounting tabs and fastening the screws or clips so the unit sits flush. Improper alignment causes repeat failures. Reconnect the harness using your reference photo to ensure every pin returns to its original position. Reinstall the panel, restore power and water, then run the machine's door lock or spin test. If the door still won't lock, check wiring continuity again and inspect the strike and latch alignment. Misalignment or a damaged cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.